How to delete Facebook business page on Android. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture icon at the top right corner. If you have a Facebook page, you'll see it listed here. Tap your page's profile picture to switch from your personal profile to your business page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines, menu icon, at the top right or bottom right, depending on your app version. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under Settings, find and tap Access and Control. Here you will see three options. Deactivate page, temporarily hide your page without deleting it. Unpublish page, keep the page but make it invisible to the public. Delete permanently, remove the page completely. Tap Delete permanently, then tap Delete your page name. Facebook will then ask you to enter your Facebook account password for confirmation. Enter your password, then tap Confirm or Continue. Your page will be scheduled for deletion and permanently removed after 30 days. If you think you might need the page later, consider deactivating or unpublishing it instead. That's all you need to do to delete a Facebook business page on Android. Follow these steps, and your page will be removed successfully. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.